Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Volvo S60 battery. First, let's prepare for the task. You'll need a few basic tools, such as a 10mm wrench and a wire brush for cleaning terminals. Safety is paramount, so always wear protective gloves and eyewear. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly set before you begin. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Depending on your Volvo S60 model, the battery might be in the trunk or under the hood. Once located, use your wrench to loosen the negative terminal first, then the positive terminal. Always remove the negative cable before the positive to prevent electrical shorts. After disconnecting the cables, unfasten any clamps or straps holding the battery in place, preparing it for removal. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. Before placing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the cable terminals with a wire brush to ensure good contact. Carefully set the new battery into its designated spot, making sure it sits level and secure. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Tighten both connections firmly to prevent any looseness. You're almost done. The final steps ensure everything is secure and functioning. Reattach and tighten the battery's hold-down clamp to prevent movement while driving. For added protection and longevity, apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both battery terminals. Finally, start your Volvo S60 to confirm the new battery is working correctly. You might need to reset some electronic settings, like your radio or clock.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.